Good morning, children. In the last class, we learned the lens formula, children. Lens formula states that 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by f is equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u, whereas f is the focal length, not focal point, it is focal length. V is the image distance, v is the image distance, u is the object distance, children. Okay, v is the image distance, u is the object distance. And we should learn the sign conventions, sign conventions. Already we learned the sign conventions. We learned the sign conventions in terms of mirrors. Okay, we learned the sign conventions of the mirrors. The sign conventions of the mirrors are, okay, all the distances should be measured from the pole. The distances measured in the direction of incident light should be taken as positive, and the distances measured in the direction of opposite to the direction of the incident light should be taken as negative. And above the principal axis it should be taken as positive, whereas below the principal axis it should be taken as negative. Okay, children, all that we learn. The same principles we use in case of convex lens and concave lens, children. That means in terms of the lenses also we use the same sign conventions. That is, the distances measured in the direction of incident light should be taken as positive, and the distances measured in the opposite to the direction of incident light should be taken as negative. And all the distances should be measured from the optic center, children. Okay, and above the principal axis it should be taken as positive, and below the principal axis it should be taken as negative, children. Okay, yes. And here when we see the sign conventions of convex lens and concave lens, children, sign conventions of convex lens, okay, convex lens, children, we can see the convex lens here, f1 c1, f2 c2. Okay, children. Okay, and the object is beyond C. The image is formed over here. This is the object, this is the image. Okay, this is the figure. And the object is beyond C. Okay, children. Therefore, what is the direction of incident light, children? This is the direction of incident light. Therefore, where is the object, children? This side. We should measure from the optic center. Therefore, what is u, children? U is negative. U is negative. Okay, children. U is negative. What about v? Where is the image? This side. Direction of incident light. Therefore, v is positive. Where is f, children? This is f, not this one. F1 we should take. Therefore, f is also positive. Okay, children. Therefore, here for a convex lens, u is negative, whereas all the remaining are positive, children, for a convex lens. Whereas in the mirrors, children, concave mirror, all are negative. U is negative, v is negative, f is negative. But whereas in the convex mirror, see, children, you should concentrate more over here. That is, the sign conventions of convex mirror and convex lens both are same. Properties are different, children. Properties of concave mirror and convex lens are equal, but in case of sign conventions, convex mirror and convex lens both are same, children. Convex mirror as well as convex lens. Okay, children. Therefore, here we should remember that for a convex lens, always u is negative, v is negative, f is negative. Sorry, u is negative, only u is negative, remaining are positive. Okay, children, remaining are positive. Okay children. Now, okay, but what in case of the when the object is in between, and the object is in between P and F children, okay, that is O and F. Here when the object is in between O and F, let us see. Optic center F1 C1, here F2 C2. Yeah. Okay children, therefore here in case of, this is the incident light, U is this side, U is this side, U is negative. Okay, where is the image? Here V is also negative children, V is also negative, but whereas F is F1, F1 is positive. In case when the object is in between, when the object is in between O and F, and the object is in between O and F, the image formed is U is negative, V is negative, and F is positive. Okay, you should remember these properties. Compulsory, you should remember these properties, children. Okay, children. Compulsory, you should remember these properties. Now, let us see a problem, children. Let us see a problem based on this convex lens or concave, sign conventions of concave here, convex lens when object is in between O and F, U is negative, V is negative, F is positive. F is positive. Okay, U is negative. Okay, U is negative. F is, V is negative, F is positive. Okay, you should make a note of this one. Okay, now sign conventions of concave lens. Concave lens. Okay, children. Concave lens. Here this is concave lens. Optic center F1 C1, F2 C2, and the object is in between of infinity and optic center. If one diagram is enough. Okay. Here it is a diverging lens. It is undeviated. The image is formed over here, A dash B dash, AB. Here where is the object, children, when we are measuring from this one? This is the incident light. Object U is negative. Okay, children. Where is V, children? V is also negative. Where is F, children? F1. F is also negative. Therefore, here in case of concave lens, U is negative, V is negative, as well as F is negative. U is negative, V is negative, as well as F is negative, children. Therefore, same in case of concave mirror, children. Concave mirror also, U is negative, V is negative, F is negative. Okay. Whereas in the convex lens, only U is negative, whereas remaining are positive. Only in case when the object is in between of O and F, U is negative, V is negative, and only F is positive. Okay, children, F is positive. You should make a note of all these sign conventions, children. Why? Because, okay, based on the sign conventions, we solve the problems, children. Problems are based on the sign conventions. Until and unless you are familiar with the sign conventions, you can't able to solve the problems, children. Therefore, to solve the problems, compulsory sign conventions are required, children. Okay, children. Therefore, sign conventions plays very important role in solving of the problems. Therefore, compulsory you should make a note of all the sign conventions of the convex, concave, and especially in case over here, children. Okay, children. Remaining we'll be learning in the next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.